My name is Gregory Touretsky, and I'm a senior director of product management at Seagate. I'm driving Seagate's new offering, providing storage as a service, Seagate Cloud, basically. I'm defining the product requirements, defining the strategy, and helping the company to bring this new offering to the market. Seagate is a leader in the storage industry, for the brand name that exists for over 40 years. As a company, we are most known for the hard drives production. 2 to 3 years ago, we basically launched a managed service offering, something very new for the company, where we are providing fully managed storage services for the customers. I was born in the Soviet Union, so that's been quite a while ago. I think I was in 5th grade when I started to learn some programming and got some exposure to the high tech. That was a very different time and different place. I think I was telling my kids that, I didn't have my cell phone until I was like 20 something. We didn't have that many computers or anything. So that was quite an interesting thing that very few people had exposure to. I graduated from school. I went to college in Russia and graduated from the technical university there. I got my bachelor's and master's degrees there. And then I moved to Israel. I started to work for Intel. I took an MBA class at the Tel Aviv University. That helped me to move more from the technical roles into the product management, got some exposure to the business world. And then a few years ago, I moved to the States. I started as a systems engineer. So I was doing software development, systems engineering, systems architecture. Eventually, I moved to the product management side, which is more kind of, it's a mix of a business and technology aspects. I think it's very important to to have this background in technology. It helps me tremendously in my new role. I can understand the challenges that our customers have when they deploy and use the systems. I can understand what it means for them if there are some issues that happen and how these issues can impact their business. And so it helps me to define the best solutions for them. We have a team that spans multiple locations. We have people in Eastern Europe, we have people in India, we have people in Israel. Any point in time during the day, somebody is working and it's great. It's also a challenging part because I can get emails and questions at any time in day. There are no specific hours. I may wake up and check some emails if there are anything urgent things. I may take my kids to school and then I may jump on several calls. Most of the time I'm remote. I go to meet folks periodically. Last week I came back from India. So I travel quite a lot to different locations and meet people. So it's not like I'm getting into the same routine of time again and again. I can choose if I work with one group of customers, working on one set of problems or a different set of problems, and that's great. In my role as a product manager, I also need to understand what our competitors are doing and keep an eye on their offerings as well. I spend a lot of time reviewing relevant websites and looking for information on the web. I'm going to some technology conferences like Storage Developers Conference or KubeCon. I participate in different meetups and I'm organizing some meetup events in the relevant fields. All that helps to keep up with the new things. I remember when I first started to work with computers back in the Soviet Union, I was dealing with like magnetic tapes and punch cards and early hard drives that came to play. When I joined Intel and I was told that as kind of the highlight, that the team has just deployed the 2nd terabyte of capacity in the data center. Today at Seagate, we are actually selling a single hard drive that has 30 terabytes of capacity. This progress that the industry has made over the last 20 years is mind-boggling. It's always interesting to see that things evolve and new things are coming up. There are some early companies that are, for example, doing DNA storage, right? Trying to use DNA as the mean to store and preserve data. Today, we're talking about zettabytes of data generated every year. Zettabyte is 1,000 exabytes. Exabyte is 1,000 petabytes. And a petabyte is 1,000 terabytes. This is just growing exponentially. All the new developments in the technology around generative AI and similar things that really leads more demand for data and ability to train models and provide the artificial intelligence solutions. So that will just drive storage capacity even more. It's always important to be open to study new things. It's important for the person to be able to join the team and work together. Right? We are very interested in building the diverse teams with people from different backgrounds. It's also important for us to see people who are motivated and they want to make a difference and contribute. If somebody is thinking to get into this job, I would give an advice that, just try new things. One thing that I'm trying to do on my own is I'm trying to check that, when was the last time in my life I've done something new for the first time? It's like this experience. I've never done this kind of things before, but I think it's great to try new things and see where it takes you.